Hi, and welcome to this Polaris FID tutorial video. In this video, I show you how to connect the disposable gas cylinders and an external tank, and which tool you'll need to do this. On the back of the instrument, you'll find the two slots for the disposable cylinders, each one with its own specific color. The green one is for the 1 liter SPAN gas bottle, and it has to be inserted inside its slot. You have to put it inside and screw it till the end. Just be careful not to push it too much. So once it's done, you can do the same with the zero air bottle. In this case the color is the black, and I'll put it inside its own slot. It is possible to check the residual pressure inside the bottles with this small pressure gauge, which is included in the first maintenance kit. So you can also connect the Polaris to an external pressurized cylinder of SPAN gas or zero air, whatever you want. But remember that the maximum working pressure of the instrument is 12 bars, so you need to reduce the pressure properly. To connect the cylinder to the instrument, you have to use a tube with this quick connector and plug it here till you hear the click. Also, this piece is supplied within the maintenance kit. We supply also these boxes with inside 12 gas cylinders. These cylinders can be customized in terms of type of gas, concentration, and proportion between the zero air and SPAN gas. So once the cylinders are correctly loaded and the instrument is on, it is possible to check the actual pressure using the menu. So just going through status and pressures.
Pollution Analytical Equipment, the answer to your on-site detection challenges.